So any website we are creating for official email address will be there. Official email address purpose we can log in for the webmail access will be there. So this is for your webmail access. But webmail will be lot of people are getting confused for the mail to send to the customers. Some people not using for webmail access for the company email. So that is purpose how it is configured by the using Gmail in a particular company email address in a particular Gmail address. No need to open for the webmail access. That is called no need to log in for company email ID. Just you can set up by the Gmail for free. We can sending for any email using for company email address. That is called how we can set up it. First of all, here is a compose is there. Without login webmail, how can I set up for official email ID and a particular Gmail address using that? So if you're using any company email address without login, how to using with the Gmail access? In this purpose, first of all, select your Gmail. In this, first of all, go to setting option. Click for setting here. In the setting, account and import option. In this call, send mail has. They give option where you can show this option will be here. When sending emails, the showing for a lot of email option will be here. In the Gmail, we can sending for multiple email address. So that is called how we can configure. That is called add another email. This totally official email address. So in this one, or else we can writing for and we can writing for official email address. Next, after that, SMTP server name. The SMTP server name will given by the particular hosting address. The hosting address will be rockettechsolution.com. The port number compulsory the given by the 587. How to know? First of all, you have question is there. That is called we can checking purpose. The port name will given by the your particular server details. Here will be server details will be there. I'm configure my port number 587. Display name can display this and add the password. Compulsory port number will be here 587 and this will be TSL connection secured. Click for add your account. So here please verify you enter the exact one. So here just I'm adding for click for add your account. Account will be added successfully and here the simple asking for verification code. The code will be received by your particular mail. You have to wait for the particular seconds. When your code will be generated, add by the option will be here. Just give me some seconds. I'm add the code will be here. The verification will receive. After the copy the code, just place it and verify it. Now you're configured by email here. Now just go to the compose. I'm not open login webmail. Just I'm log out. If you're sending any official email, a simple one here. Just before that, you have to confirmation will be compulsory. You need just confirmation your Gmail here. Confirm it. Confirmation will be success. Yes, that. Select your option. It is called our mail. Where is it? Rakesh at the rate of rockettechsolution.com is official. So where you sending for email? So I'm sending for particular email address. Example document example and send. After sending example document will be here. So the person will receive the mail in a particular mail address. So it will take some little time to the sending by the email address. So you have to take the time to wait for the seconds. If you want to receive another mail, simple, select your option. I'll use sample message sending to the customer. Here is a previous mail example document. Here received by the a particular mail address here. So compulsory you have to sending by the particular customers. It will little bit take the time to the receive the email. Once receive email, we can reply to the by using the in the particular email address. So give me the seconds. Is updating for the receive by email address option will be here. So I receive email. I can check. So this is called, we can configure official email address with the using for Gmail. We can sending any email by using Gmail address. Any official email we can sending through Gmail. The access for the import from your contact by adding the official email address by using Gmail access.